Hi there, Chris here. It's Friday. I think it's Naughty Bucket Friday, but this has not been in my Naughty Bucket. This is just a little Corbin Cabinet lock. Old beat up. There's bidding on the key. I guess it was used at public storage. Anyway, I thought I'd try and get this open. And recently I saw somebody mention in a video that wafer locks, you can open them fairly easy with the Sparrow snake rake. So I have one here, and I thought I'd give that a try. So, and I guess you just go in and muck around. Top and bottom. Oh, I had it. It got away from me. How about that? Let's try a different wrench. Take two. That's not gonna work. Let's see, a big one might be in the way. Oh well, we'll try this one. So here's our snake rake. I'll put the humps up. Not in the single pin picking mode. Muck in there a little bit. Doing the bottom. And then maybe use the single pin side of it. Huh? Not getting it. Feel a little bit of core movement. That feels very solid on the bottom. I'll try the top again. It's probably something near the tension wrench. So I'll use the pick part of it, the little tip, and see if I can't get it. Isn't that the way of it, though? Had it, and then my tension wrench fell out. Well, start on the bottom this time. And then go to the top. There we are. So it does work. So that's the little Sparrow snake rake. Shuel has been doing some great videos on reshaping these to make them a little bit more efficient. And you should check those out. He's taken, I think, the Sandman and this Sparrow's rake, and I believe the Octo rake, and reshaped those to more efficient profiles. Doesn't take much. Anyway, they're very cool. So that's my little video for this. Wanted to post something before Dark Arts does his live stream, which comes to me Friday mornings. It's Friday night there, but that's a very fun stream to check out. Everybody checks in and says hi, and a lot of good yakking and stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. Hit the like, leave a comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.